When it comes to buying a car, many people dream of owning a luxury vehicle. But the question is, are you considering what that monthly cost of luxury looks like? It's not just the purchase price you need to be thinking about. Luxury vehicles like Acura and Lexus often share the same engine and transmission as their more cost-effective counterparts, such as Honda and Toyota. The main difference usually lies in the interior upgrades and trim, but something that is often forgotten when signing that dotted line for your monthly payment is that maintenance and repair costs can be significantly higher, especially for hybrids. Here are a few things to consider. Number 1, are you prepared for high insurance costs after purchasing a luxury vehicle? Insurance for your flashier models, including hybrids, can be significantly more expensive than your standard models. Luxury vehicles come with higher repair and replacement costs due to their advanced features and parts. Insurance companies account for this, meaning you will have steeper premiums. Always get a quote before you buy so you don't experience financial surprise down the road. Number 2, are you prepared to spend more at the pump? Many of the luxury vehicles require premium gas, which can significantly affect your overall driving budget. It's safe to say it would be wise to check the fuel requirements before making a purchase. Luxury cars are designed for performance and efficiency, which is why they often need higher octane fuel. Check your budget and decide if you should avoid that extra $100 per month for fuel. The third thing I encourage anyone to consider is the potential higher maintenance costs associated with luxury or hybrid vehicles. Cars like Jaguars, Land Rovers, and higher-end BMWs often require service at dealerships, leading to significantly higher maintenance bills. At my shop, we specialize in a wide range of services, but we always emphasize the importance of knowing your vehicle's service requirements to avoid unexpected costs. You'll find that many smaller shops avoid the complications of maintenance and repairs of luxury vehicles, and you get locked into going directly to the dealership for service. Using a dealer isn't necessarily always a bad thing, but I'll promise you, I'll treat you better. Dealerships often have exclusive access to specialized tools and parts for new luxury vehicles, which can drive up service costs. It's essential that you weigh your options and consider reputable independent shops like us that provide the same or better quality service at a much more manageable price. I hope this video has opened your eyes to the additional decisions you need to consider when purchasing your dream car, as well as how much you can comfortably afford every month. Remember, the bank won't be late on that auto draft. Do you want to know what happens when you choose the wrong mechanic? Check out the video in the middle of the screen to learn the best advice on how not to get burned. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more insightful content. We'll catch you on the next video.